My name is Dorothy. I'm 88 years old. I wear my medical Lifelink USA device every day. I put it on every morning and take it off at night just long enough to get dressed for bed. Through the day, my life is like daily housework: cooking, laundry, cleaning, sweeping, up and down the steps, in and out. I do a little yard work. If I fail with my Lifelink USA on, help is right there. I have one that detects the fall that I don't even have to call in. I have an arm bracelet that I can punch if I want to ask for help myself. I have a phone number listed. They call my son, my husband, my daughter, ambulance, whoever I need. I feel very secure, and it always works. They always answer quickly. I feel very secure about this because I'm very active, and I know a fall could be devastating. This helps me be secure. My name is Dorothy. I'm a Lifelink USA customer.